Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a cellular phone system, a mobile phone must be paged to receive a phone call. However, paging attempts do not always succeed because the mobile phone may not receive the paging signal clearly. Consequently, the system will page a phone up to 3 times before giving up. If a single paging attempt succeeds with probability zero point 0.8, sketch a probability tree for this experiment and find the probability PF that the phone is found. So uh, let us denote the event that the phone is found by F, right? Let event that phone is found on ith page be denoted by F subscript I, right? And event that phone is not found on ith page, let's denote this by Ni, right? So it's given that uh, if a single paging attempt succeeds with probability 0 0.8, so on a single paging attempt Fi, the probability that phone is found is 0 0.8, 0 0.8. So the probability that the phone is found or not found is 1, right? Phone can either be found or not found, so this total probability is 1. So that means probability that phone is not found is 1 minus 0 0.8, that is 0 0.2, right? So we make 3 successive attempts. So for example, the first attempt can be denoted like this. This is the probability that the phone is found, that is F1. This is the first attempt, and this is the probability phone not found, N1. So if it is not found, the second page is made, right? Second paging attempt is made. So in that case, if it is again fails, that is F2. If it is found, it is F2, and if it's not found, then this is N2. And probability here again is 0 0.8, and here it is 0 0.2. And if this attempt again fails, then we have a third paging attempt. So that is N3 if it is not found, and that is F3 if it is found, and the probabilities are the same, 0 0.8 and 0 0.2, right? So probability that the phone fails in all 3 paging attempts, right? That is given by 0 0.2 multiplied by 0 0.2 multiplied by 0 0.2. So the probability that all 3 paging attempts fail is given by probability of N1, N2, N3, and that is 0 0.2 multiplied by 0 0.2 multiplied by 0 0.2. So that is 0.008. So this is a very small probability that the phone is not found in the 3 paging attempts. So now the probability that the user is found, yeah, that's what we need to determine. The probability that phone is found is basically probability that F, and that is equal to 1 minus this probability that it is not found, that is N1, N2, N3, and that is 1 minus 0 0.008. So probability that phone is found is 1 minus 0.008 is this must be 0.992, right? Yes. So this gives us the solution to the given problem.